Hey everyone. So over the last few months, I've just been noticing like a lot of thinning of my hair. It's not so much as my hair breaking off, it's just an overall thinness going on. And I know that a lot of people are going to have their own opinions about what it could be and what it may be and all this good stuff, but really what I think it is I've waited so long to get a trim because I haven't got my hair trimmed in about a good year or more. And I've waited so long because I really didn't have anybody to trim my hair for me. And the lady who I normally get to trim my hair is not available. So um when I really didn't notice it until I started wearing light colored t-shirts like this, and then I could like really see it in the mirror. So what I'm going to try to do in this video is attempt to trim my hair on my own, since I really don't have anyone else to do it and I don't trust anyone. So one of the methods that I was going to try was putting my hair in a low ponytail first, and then just gathering all the hair up and then cutting it straight across the end. So that looks like I cut like maybe like an inch off of my ponytail at the end. So that was the first method that I was going to try to see if that would quickly solve the problem. And although it looks nice in the ponytail, once I take the ponytail out, as you can see, it was not an even cut. It looks a little better, but at the same time it was not even. And it's still like, I don't know, I'm kind of obsessed with not seeing the thin parts of my hair. So I really wanted to take off probably like 2 more inches, because the way I like my hair, I like to not be able to see my t-shirt under my hair. Like once my hair is combed down, I don't want to see any of my t-shirt. And if I do see my t-shirt, then that means that area is thin to me. So that's just how I feel about that. But I know another thing that somebody gonna put in the comment box is, well, you dyed your hair. Somebody gonna be like, you dyed your hair and that's why it's thin like that. Okay, for those of you who saw the video where I dyed my hair, I only dyed it in the front section at the top, and the thinning is all over. So I don't think that's what it is, because if that was the case, it'll only be thinning where the color is, and apparently the color is only in the top section of my head in the front. And is I also just turned 30 years old, so I don't know if that's a part of getting older, or I know a lot of people are going to be like, well, you do your relaxers frequently. But I've always done my relaxers frequently, like for years and years and years. And it was like when I turned 30, and also I had another child 2 years ago. And it's like ever since I had him, my hair was never at the same thickness that it was before I had him, and as well as when I was in my 20s. So it's just kind of like, it's just a bunch of factors, and I really can't pinpoint it. But I mean, I know I do use a lot of chemicals on my hair, and I do experiment a lot, but this is what my channel is about. I mean, it isn't about, I'm not trying to tell you guys what to do to your hair or trying to be a hair guru. My channel is simply about me playing with my hair, and I'm showing you guys what I'm doing with my hair and what products I like to use on my hair. Like seriously, that's what my channel is about. I do me, and I just have fun with my hair because it's just hair at the end of the day. But anyways, I felt like I went into a rant. But okay, I looked at a few videos and everything, and I decided that one of the things that I wanted to do was trim my hair on my own. I didn't want to go to anybody, so I looked at a few videos on YouTube, and one of the videos I saw the person doing this method to trim their hair. They're basically pulling their hair out vertically and trimming their hair like that. Because I was gonna just trim it like row by row, like when you're flat on your hair and you go row by row. But I was like, okay, let me try this method. And so that's why I'm doing it like this, just pulling it out to like a 90-degree angle and going ahead and clipping those ends off like that. But I mean, like, I'm extremely transparent with my subscribers and those of you who watch my channel and my different social media. I'm very transparent. I've never tried to hide anything. I've never tried to act like I know it all. None of that type of stuff. if I was that type of person, I could have skipped this video altogether and just been like, went to my Instagram like, hey, I trimmed my hair, and showed you the results. But by me being transparent, I want to show you guys how my hair looks before I trimmed it, which, I know my hair is not the healthiest and it does have damage to it. But like I said, my channel is just about me playing in my hair and just showing you guys what I do to my hair. That is what my channel is about. So basically what I'm just showing you guys is me trimming my hair all around, front, back, sides, and just doing the best that I can, because I kind of refuse to go to a hairstylist, because the last trim that I got, she did a good job, but at the same time she cut one side shorter than the other side, and it took a quite a long time for it to grow out and catch up. So I just kind of try to be self-taught and do experiment on my own nowadays. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and record this, because I know if I post this on Instagram, somebody's going to be like, how did you do that? And I just want to go ahead and post and record everything where, you guys can see. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. You can still see those thin ends, but it's not as bad as it was when I first started the video. But I mean, personally, I would like to take about maybe like 2 more inches off, but I'm really not worried about it right now. I just wanted to get some of those ends cut off in a little bit more healthier state. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's still not how I want it, but it's better than it was. Okay, you see this area that I'm touching right here? I want all that gone. Like all this little see-through area right there, I definitely want that gone, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm just going to focus on getting my hair back thicker. Now, there was actually a clip that I had, and I don't know what happened to it. It accidentally got deleted or something. I don't know. But I'm just showing you what I ended up doing. I combed my hair to the front like this, and then I just cut it horizontally where it would be straight across, as you see it right here. So I'm just showing you what I did. I just combed it all to the front, and then I basically just cut it horizontally so that it would match up. And then now I'm going to show you what it looks like with it all combed back to the back. So although it's not perfect, I feel like this is a little better than when the video originally started. Definitely I have some improvements to do, but this is what it's looking like right now. Getting a little trim in. And I feel like for me doing this, by myself, that I did a pretty good job. It's not perfect, but I feel like I did pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment box, which I'm sure y'all gonna do that anyway. Okay, this next clip right here that I'm about to show you, this is the next day after I actually wrapped my hair. I wrapped it and I took it down, and these are the final results. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.